Okay, we are doing homework check 12.2. Okay, we're starting with problem 1. This one you're trying to find the surface area. Well, the surface area formula is B, or 2B plus P times H. B is the base, P is the perimeter, and H is the height. In this case, the base is going to be 16 since it is 4 by 4. And the perimeter is going to be 16 because it's 4 each length, and you take it by 4, and then the height is 8. So when you put that all into your calculator, you get 16 times 2, which is 32. So you have your surface area is equal to 32 plus 16 times 8, which is going to be 128. And when you add 128 and 32, you get 160. So your surface area is equal to 160. Then we're going to move right on to problem 2. Well, this problem, the surface area is equal to 2 times the pi times radius squared plus 2 times pi radius times height. So in this case, you will get the surface area is equal to 2 pi times 3 squared since your radius is 3, and then plus 2 pi times 3 since once again your radius is 3, times your height, which is 6. Well, then you need to take 3 times 3, since that's how you square, and you'll get 9, and then 9 times 2 is 18. Well, then you need to take 3 times 6, which is 18, plus times 2 pi, which is 36. Then when you add 18 pi and 36 pi, you will get 54 pi to equal your surface area, which 54 pi is approximately 169.646. So your answer for surface area is going to be 169.646. Okay, now we are going on to problem 3. Problem 3, you're trying to find the surface area again, which is back to that formula. Well, in this case, rather than trying to find the surface area, you're already given the surface area. So you need to put the surface area, which is 245, is equal to 2 times the base, which is 3x, plus 6 plus 2x times 7. Since 7 is the height, and then 6 plus 2x is the perimeter. Then you need to simplify that both sides. So you'll get 245 is equal to 6x, since 2 times 3x equals 6. And then 7 times 6 is 42. And 2x times 7 is 14x. You then need to add up the x's on that side. So you'll get 245 is equal to 20x plus 42. Then you need to subtract 42 from that one side, and you'll get 203 is equal to 20x. And then when you take 203 divided by 2, you'll get 10.15. So x is then equal to 10.15. So your answer is then 10.15. Well, then moving on to problem 4, you have to find the missing side length given the surface area of a cylinder, which is 157. So we'll put 157 is equal to 2 times pi times radius squared, which in this case radius squared is 4, or your radius is 4, plus 2 times pi times radius, which is 4 again, and then times your height, since we don't know what your height is yet. So then we need to simplify those sides. So we need to square the 4, which is then going to be 16, then take 16 times 2, which is going to be 32 pi. So you'll get 157 is equal to 32 pi. Then you need to take 4 times 2, which is going to be 8, which then you need to take 8, which you'll get on one side 8 pi times height. Then you need to subtract the 32 pi, and you'll get 157 minus 32 pi is equal to 8 pi times the height. Then you need to divide the 8 pi, so you'll get 157 minus 32 pi is over 8 pi times height, or 8 pi, just 8 pi, and is equal to the height. So then when you put that into your calculator, it will be, you could have 157 minus 32 pi divided by 8 pi, which you would get for an answer of your height to be 2.246. Well, that is it for homework check 12.2.